In a realm adrift between the waking and the imagined, the scene unfolds under a luminous, flaxen sky, as though threaded from strands of golden sunlight. A verdant park sprawls before the beholders, an oasis of life teeming with gentle whispers carried by the breeze. A family ambles along a cobbled path, the soft crunch of their footsteps absorbed by the earth below. The parents, hand in hand, radiate a warmth as profound as the sun itself, while their children, full of laughter and curiosity, dart like sparrows from one delight to the next. The mother's scarf catches the wind, billowing like a triumphant flag as she leads her jovial tribe through this dreamscape. All around them, emerald leaves flutter upon ancient boughs, leaves that seem to shimmer as if dusted with the dreams of those who treaded before. Bursts of color erupt where wildflowers sway, painting a kaleidoscope of hope and earnest discussion. The air is laden with the scent of grass kissed by dew, a symphony of earth fragrances that elevate the spirit. Nestled within this lively tableau, the family pauses by a stately oak, its sprawling branches offering a sanctuary of shade. The children gather around their parents, eyes wide with innocent inquiry, questions about the world and their place within it tumbling forth. "Why do we vote, Mama?" pipes a small voice, full of wonder, yet clothed in the seriousness of youth. The mother crouches to meet the gaze of her inquisitive child, her eyes gleaming like polished stones under the dawn. "Voting," she says, her voice a gentle harp string plucked in the stillness, "is how we speak when words are not enough. It is the way we plant seeds for the future we wish to see flourish. Democracy is not just a right, it is a responsibility, a gift to be cherished and nurtured." Their father, solemn yet smiling, nods agreement, gestures broad and embracing as if encompassing the world. He kneels, brushing the earth, conveying a tactile connection to the story he shares. "We are all threads in this grand fabric of humanity," he adds. Their words, droplets of wisdom, fall upon the children, whose eyes reflect newfound understanding, a glimpse of the paths they too might walk. In the silence that follows, the park seems to breathe, an ancient, living entity attentive and approving. The leaves rustle their approbation, crafting a melody of harmony that echoes into the ether. Yet, as quickly as the dream appeared, it begins to fade. The colors of the park bleed into one another, the once crisp outlines dissolving into the waking world, leaving only the warm glow of remembered emotion, like sunlight caught within a prism. Above, the golden sky closes its curtain, allowing the dreamers to awaken, hearts fuller, minds awakened by the gentle reminder of unity, love, and democratic duty.